Hello everybody and welcome back. It is Michael from Hallowed Thrills back with another video. The day has come. The time has come. It is finally what we've all been waiting for. We are here today at Hersheypark. It's media day for Wildcats Revenge. That's right. We got invited out here for media, so thank you to Quinn and Amanda for always helping us out here and inviting us out here for the media event. Super excited to check out Wildcats Revenge today. So we have media check-in literally like right now. So gonna go check in. We do get one card that allows us to go on Wildcats Revenge once. I'm also hoping that maybe it's gonna be soft open today, so we might get on it more than once. We'll see. But super excited, man. Super excited. What can I say? But before we get into it, please make sure that you are subscribed, have the bell notifications turned on to get notified whenever I post a video, and also make sure you're following me on both Instagram and Twitter. The links are down in the description below. So we are all checked in. We got our media badge. Look at that. Media access. Wildcats Revenge. This is surreal. Thank you guys for allowing, just following me and subscribing to allow certain things like this to be possible for this channel. It really is, it's fantastic, and I can't thank you guys enough for that. Oh yeah, we made it. We're in. There's the beautiful red and black station. I love it. There's Coaster 365 there. What a man. Oh my gosh. This coaster looks gorgeous. Wow. I'm sorry, I'm fangirling right now, man. I love the way this coaster looks and how it changes the entire skyline of this park. They got tons of photo booth stuff lined up for us here. They got a 360 photo booth. I might try that out. They got just a normal photo booth over here. They got tons of stuff, but we're gonna head up towards the entrance. And here is our reveal of the entrance for Wildcats Revenge. You see that? That is an old piece of track from the original Wildcat. Well, not the original, but the one that they had replaced to build this one. I love that sign. It is so cool. I'm sorry. I keep fangirling over this attraction. I hope it lives up to my expectations. Let's take a look at this test seat. The lap bar must illuminate the green light and be in contact with the rider's thighs. So if you push this down, there you go. We got green light. So right there, that is about what we're looking at as far as distance. Now, I will say I'm a little bit, I have a little bit thicker thighs, so this will be a real test to see whether or not you can get in on this. But, I mean, it looks pretty good as far as leeway. I heard they're allowing re-rides. I think it's time. I think it's time we start marathoning this. What do you say? Let's head on in. And we're gonna get a nice first look at the brand new queue as well, because they did redo a lot of this queue and added some lockers, so we're gonna get a look at those as well. But look at that. Kind of reminds me of the old one that they had here, but they did do a lot of brand new concrete. Oh yeah, I love how you can get up close and personal with this coaster. It looks real good. So like I said, there is free lockers here, and there is a locker policy for this coaster. So any loose articles, including phones, cell phones, all of the wallets, keys, and all that must be taken out of your pockets and put into one of the free lockers over here while you ride. And they are double-sided lockers, so in one side and collect them out the other. I love that more coasters are doing that. Okay, I did a ride in the front, I did a ride in the back. Those are what we did so far. I'm definitely going back in to get some more re-rides, but I just wanted to take my stuff out of the locker real quick to give you guys a little bit of an update. That coaster, they got themselves a winner here. It's good. It fills that void for me for what Iron Gwazi was. Iron Gwazi's a thrill machine, man, but this thing, it has such a compact layout. It is so good. I love the inversions on this coaster. The layout fits so perfectly. It is fantastic. It's great. Initial first reaction, it's great. And those inversions are something else, man. They really are. Let's like I said, I got some more time. I can marathon this thing. We got some more rides in us, but I'll get back to you guys with my final review on it. after a couple more re-rides. But I think I'll see you guys in a second. So here is the look at the station from the exit platform. That's right, there is a loading platform and an unloading platform here. Great idea. Really helps up the throughput of this coaster. But we're gonna catch it when it gets back into the station. There it is, back already.
Please remain seated and keep your...
They hooked me up. They got me decked out in some Wildcat Revenge swag, you know. But unfortunately, they're doing some commercial shoots now. So we only got our 3 rides. We got row 1, row 12, and row 5. I can officially say this is the best coaster in this park. Absolutely, by far. The pacing, the layout, just everything about this coaster is perfect. There are a few little bits of it that are a little janky and a little bit like kind of rough, but the rest of the layout kind of overtakes that. This is a great coaster. This is a fantastic coaster, and frankly, may be my favorite coaster in the state of Pennsylvania now. And this has nothing to do with me being here for free today and them having me out here. As a coaster fan, this is a fantastic coaster, and you guys need to ride this coaster. Now, where do you want to sit? Where do you want to sit on this coaster? Like I said, I went front, middle, and back, and I cannot tell you, for a extremely intense experience, all the way in the back, as always. But I will say you will get beat up a little bit. You will get beat up on certain sections, but if you want the true Wildcat Revenge experience and feel every inch of the airtime and just the hills and just darts that this thing has, I can say the front is the way to go. Closer to the front you are, the better it is. It really is smoother, faster, and just overall more thrilling in the front without all of the kind of jerkiness that I had mentioned previously. But we do have some more stuff going on today. We have some food and merchandise that we need to check out for the opening of this coaster that is actually tomorrow, as of the time of recording this. We're gonna check out some food and merchandise, and also I'm gonna show off my ride photo and my little 360 photo that I was able to do here first. But let's check that out, and then we'll go and check out some merch and some food. So our first stop on food and beverages is actually right next to the entrance. The old cart that was used for Dark Nights has now been transformed into Revenge beverages. So we got a Revenge-arita, which is a Chi-Chi's margarita with a tropical fruit twist. And they have the Parkview Palmer, which is Firefly sweet tea with lemonade. So I thought it was a Blinky Cup drink. It is in fact not, but it still does give you a really cool cup. It's got Wildcats Revenge. They do have it in red and black. We got a red one. And on the other side it says, "I conquered the world's largest underflip." Alright, so let's try this out. That is really good, and it is very refreshing on what is a very hot day today. I definitely suggest getting this from the Revenge beverages over here by Wildcats Revenge. Alright, so our next stop is over here at Coaster Collectibles, as they have Wildcats Revenge merchandise. So let's head in and check out some of the new merch. I can see some right here. Go, little Wildcat. It's a Wildcat. Look at that. And he's got a little embroidered bandana on. $26.99 for him. Looks adorable. And then we got magnets, water bottles, puzzles, sweatshirts, a big Wildcat. We got more Wildcat Revenge magnets. This one's cool. That shows off like the underflip. That's awesome. And some coffee mugs and other water bottles over here. Oh, and shot glasses. Oh, and some glass cups. So we got some stickers, bigger and smaller stickers, some socks, a little keychain, another little keychain with that kind of pin style. I hope they actually have this in a pin. Another keychain. Let's see. Oh, big sticker down there. There it is. That's what I'm looking for. Only one here so far. I mean, I'll continue to spin this, but I think that might be the only one. And oh, we got a patch, an iron-on patch. But it looks like that may be it for the Wildcat Revenge merch. Oh, sorry. Almost forgot. Look, so I think I showed off the puzzle, but we do have a deck of cards as well. Just a bunch of Wildcat Revenge kind of branded merchandise in here. For all you people that are fans of Coaster Dynamics coaster models, I did ask, and I was told they do not know as of right now whether they're going to get them, but they do not have them right now. I told the PR people here, I told Quinn, I told Amanda, I was like, that's the one thing I need. So we'll see, but as of right now, that place doesn't. I might have to check up at the gift shop up at the front, but as of right now, that store does not have the Coaster Dynamics coaster models for Wildcats Revenge, but they did have a bunch of other ones for the other coasters here at the park. I think I might go check out the Hersheypark Supply Co. Just kind of like the outside gift shop. Maybe they have something in there. If not, we're gonna go get some food then and try to find some of that Wildcats Revenge exclusive food. We are in Hershey Supply Co. Let's see if we can find. Yep, already found it. All right. Let's see. Do we have a Coaster Dynamics coaster model? Nothing there. We do have a T-shirt. Anything else? More of the T-shirts and hoodies. No, not looking promising. I don't think we do. I'll look around a little bit more in here, but as of right now, it's not looking good. Well, I was looking around, I actually found a photo op here for Wildcats Revenge. You can get a picture right here. It makes it look like you're kind of riding the coaster, I guess. Well, found the nano coasters, and nope. Nothing here for Wildcats Revenge, but they do have a really cool parkscape for Hersheypark. I didn't know that they made this one for Hershey. I love that. That looks awesome. But other than that, yeah, it does not look like we have a Wildcats Revenge model. We're over here in the Sweetery, and they have a Wildcats Revenge dessert here. They said it's a brownie with Kit Kats, a raspberry cheesecake, marshmallow frosting, and a little corkscrew of chocolate there. And then they also have fudge. Let's go and see if we can find the fudge over here for Wildcats Revenge. Oh, yep, there it is. And that's kind of the same concept over here with the fudge. So over here at Milton's Ice Cream Parlor, they have a Wildcats Revenge flavor. And they have a Wildcats Revenge sundae right there, and a new Wildcat Revenge cone and ice cream. And right down there is the ice cream. And Wildcats Revenge ice cream is dark chocolate ice cream with a raspberry swirl and Kit Kats mixed in. That sounds absolutely delicious. I might have to come back and get that later on our way out. My mission now, if we choose to accept it, is to find the Burke's hot dog area down by the boardwalk and get that Wildcat Revenge hot dog because it sounds delicious. It has like a sweet pepper relish and a potato stick like topper on it. It sounds and looks fantastic. I'm gonna get that and it's gonna be delicious. Let's see if we can go find it though. Well, I found it. And I can say I'm a little bit ashamed because it's right next to where we were finding some of the Wildcats Revenge merchandise. So, yeah. But we found it anyways, so let's go take a look at that hot dog. Oh man, look at that. That is a fantastic looking hot dog. You can see the spicy marmalade and the potato sticks. We gotta find a safe place to eat this because it's pretty crowded still. I finally found a safe spot that's shaded to eat this. So, let's try it. That's pretty good. There is definitely a pretty decent kick from that from the sweet and spicy marmalade. I will say that. So if you are kind of on the fringe with spice, I might want to stick away from this. But if you kind of like a little bit of spice in your life, this is 100% the way to go. This is delicious. I'm gonna finish the rest of this. I'll talk to you guys after. Well, like I said, that hot dog was absolutely delicious. 100% recommend it. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my day here at Hersheypark, and then I'll catch up with you guys when we get dessert when we leave, because I really want that Wildcat Revenge ice cream. we have wrapped up our day here at Hersheypark. But we're gonna do one more thing. Like I said earlier, I want some dessert, so we're gonna go and get that Wildcats Revenge ice cream over at Milton's Ice Cream. And our last little bit of food today is the Wildcats Revenge ice cream. And like I said earlier, this is a dark chocolate ice cream with a raspberry swirl and Kit Kats mixed in with it. The ice cream, very delicious, all gone. It's very chocolatey with just kind of the very small hint of that raspberry. If you really like chocolate ice cream, I would highly suggest coming here. It's very good, very rich, very creamy, but I do enjoy it. All right, and just like that, our day here at Hersheypark is done. Wildcats Revenge Media Day. It was fantastic. For you people that are seeing this coaster today, you guys are in for a real treat. Thank you once again to Hersheypark for inviting me out here to check out this amazing coaster. I can't say enough about this coaster. I can't say enough about Hersheypark. I love this park. I'm excited. This isn't the end. I have one more trip here planned in a couple weeks. It's a little bit of a special trip, so you might want to watch out for that. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure you drop a like and also comment down below. Are you going on Wildcats Revenge this weekend? Are you going on it soon? Do you have a coaster trip planned this summer just to get on this coaster? I'd like to know down below in the comments, because you definitely want to get on that coaster sometime in the near future. I'm telling you guys. As always, I'm Michael from Hollywood Thrills, giving you the all clear, and all clear means you're out of here. See you guys next time.